Hey, if you're looking for an affordable, easy to put together farmhouse coffee table, definitely check this one out. We just got this and upgraded. We had a very old, kind of dingy looking coffee table here for years. We just got this. I put this together and it took me about, I'm gonna say 45 minutes. So if you're thinking about getting this, you're gonna have to put a little bit of time into putting it together, but it wasn't that complicated to put together. Here is what they give you. This is the entire system. So you just screw these little like dowels in, they're metal, and then this little interlocking piece goes in there, and then they just twist together, and then they give you a little screwdriver. A very brief look at the instruction manual. It is step by step. So you've got the expanded view there. Not that complicated to put together. Okay. You've got a piece here. This table's about 31 inches by 31 inches. That's about 18 inches tall. I'm really loving the space underneath here, which we're going to utilize. Just utilizing the extra space is huge. We didn't have that before. I know this is not like a solid wood, but it's coated in like this really hard, durable laminate. This stuff is very easy to wipe down and clean. If you happen to spill something on this table, watch how easy that this wipes up. See that? So super easy to clean. And with a regular hardwood table, sometimes the pores on the wood will absorb that. Kind of give you a view here from the side. So you got that farmhouse kind of carriage house look to it. It really dresses up this space. So this is pretty lightweight and it is easy to move around. I was able to put this together all on my own. I didn't need a second person to hold anything. So if you're budget conscious and you want something more affordable, something that's gonna look great, I'm very happy with this. So definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.